If I had $1 for every time I heard someone say, "We've always done it this way," I could retire, and so can you. Complacency is the silent killer of manufacturing excellence. It's comfortable, it's safe, and it's absolutely destroying your potential. The world is changing rapidly, technology is evolving quickly, and we can all see it. Your competitors are innovating, and if you're still doing things the way you did them 5 years ago, you're already behind, my friend. Change is hard, I get it. People resist it, they fear it, and as a leader, it's your job to help them embrace it, not by forcing it down their throats, but by teaching them why it matters. The Modern Manufacturing Leadership Workbook teaches you how to challenge complacency while creating a culture that change is an opportunity and not a threat. If you're tired of fighting the same battles, search for Modern Manufacturing Leadership today and learn how to lead through change like a pro. Corporate companies can click opexleaders.com to learn more. Up and coming leaders can comment down below and get more information on how to join my MML mastermind group. I'll see you on the other side, friends.